everyone. Today, we're going to be doing simple heel taps, toe taps, knee lifts, and leg lifts. And it's going to be really quick too. So go grab your chairs and let's sit, groove, move so you can get fit. Let's get it. All right, let's take it from the top. Here we go. Heel taps, toe taps, open and close the hips. And let's start all over again. Here we go. 1, 2, open, open, close, close. Heel taps, toe taps, open, open. That's it. Come on. Nice and easy. Now we're going to do some knee lifts and leg lifts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. 1, 2, 3. Take it back to the top. Ha. Open, open, close. Close, heel taps, side taps. Open, open, close, close. Come on. Take it back to knee lifts and kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. Switch it up. Make sure you get that knee real high. Kick it out. Back to the top. Come on. Get those knees up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Back to the top. Now, if you want to pick it up, you can. Right here. Come on. Keep going. Knees up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick it. 1, 2. Coming down to those toes. Switch. 1. Make sure you stay on the toes. Kick it. Ha. Back to the top. Hey. Heel taps, side taps. Open, open, close, close. That's all it is. Hey. Great job, you all. See you next video. Good job.